Question number 3, Ruth Maguire.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. To ask the Scottish Government what action it's taken to ensure the Test and Protect system is accessible to all.
Marie Goujon.
The accessibility of testing is a key priority for Test and Protect, and our testing strategy and expansion plans highlight our approach to prioritising testing for different groups of people. And we've worked with health boards as well as with local authorities to plan the locations of walk-through local test sites. And that's particularly in areas where people may not have access to a car, and we've ensured that the needs of different groups with protected characteristics are met via the testing system and through different testing routes. Now, these sites have disabled access routes. They can accommodate families and those who might require privacy while being tested, and they can be adapted to local community needs by providing instructions in languages other than English. And as well as that, to enable self-isolation, we provide practical and financial support to those who require it through the National Assistance Helpline and through outbound calls from local authorities to really try and reach those who would otherwise not receive the support that they might require to self-isolate.
Ruth Maguire.
I appreciate that answer from the Minister. I've had a constituency issue where the individual had no email address, no internet access on their phone and was unable to obtain a test. I have, of course, taken action for that person, but can the Minister comment on whether this is a gap in the system, and if not, perhaps provide information on what those who find themselves in this situation should do?
Marie Goujon.
Well, first of all, I'm just really sorry to hear about the experience that Ruth Maguire's constituent had, and obviously we recognise that internet access may be an issue for some people, and that might not be an option for them when they're trying to book a test. So I think in the first instance, I think in cases like that, people should call the number 0300 303 2713. That's the helpline for anyone who might need assistance with booking a test, and obviously it will help to support people access a test without requiring access to the internet. But I would also say that's where our testing expansion plans are also vitally important, whether that's we're looking at what we can do in rural areas. There's pilot projects that have been gone underway there. There's the walk-through test sites. We really are doing all we can to make testing as accessible for people as possible, and I hope that all these measures will prevent issues like that occurring.